Hello and welcome to my very first video on this channel. My name is Justin Payne. Now, a lot of you may remember me from other videos where I confront alleged and potential sexual predators. I've made this channel in the hopes of offering advice and experience. Advice and experience that I've acquired over the years having dealt with many sexual predators. The question that I've gotten asked over the years a lot is, why are people predators and how does someone become one? Now, there's no direct answer that can be offered to this question. Scientists and healthcare professionals over the years have provided multi-factor theories which claim to be more relevant. Instead of approaching the question in the direction of why, I feel that we should direct ourselves with the contributing factors of how abnormalities of the brain contracted with personal exposure and developmental issues play a factor. Many different scientists over the years have different explanations as two individuals are not the same as the next. More often than not, this will create a debate between nature and nurture. Now, nature is what we think is in pre-wiring and influenced by genetic inheritance and other biological factors. Nurture is generally taken as the influence of the external factors after conception. For example, the product of exposure to life experiences and learning as an individual. Some who argue will contest to say that nature affects our genetics that determine our behavior, our personality traits, and other abilities, where nurture is our environment and our upbringing, our life experiences that will determine our behaviors. They say that we are nurtured to behave in certain ways. Now, keep in mind that neither of those explanations nor any other statements justify the heinous acts done by individuals. This is just a means to go deeper into perspective past opinion.
Epigenetics is something I've recently started doing a lot of personal studies on, and I gotta say, I'm very intrigued. Now, when speaking about developmental points in our lives, I feel that we need to add in epigenetics into the equation. So what is epigenetics and how is this relevant? Well, epigenetics focuses on a person's behaviors and environments and how this can alter or affect the way that your genes work. Now, genes contribute to the overall development of a person's personal health. Epigenetics explained by Google, and I quote, "The study of change in organisms caused by modification of gene expression rather than the alteration of the genetic code itself." Try saying that 5 times fast, am I right? So why is epigenetics important in this discussion? You see, it was once thought that a person's genes are set in stone, but new scientific research has proven that a person can ascend from their inherent genetic coding. So traits and characteristics inherited through nature by a person may not be changed in its entirety, no, but it can be rewired, and the same goes for nurture, which would be the life experiences and exposure to situations. The reason why this is important is because of the overwhelming data that claims that this disorder can be inherited or a product of experience or environment, which begs the question still, how does somebody actually become a predator or offender? Continue to follow my channel and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to turn the notification bell on so that you will be notified when future videos are uploaded. I'd like to thank everyone that came over and subscribed, and everybody that has watched the video or shared the video or liked the video or even commented on the video. Guys and girls, this is very important. Share your opinions, share your thoughts. I'd love to know. Each week we will be doing personal studies into human development, as well as a lot of info segments on abusers and offenders. So I'll be learning a lot, and I hope that you will be too, and I hope that your mind gets intrigued. So that's it for me. Take care, and all the best.